In this short Notion beginner tutorial lesson, I'll show a fast, low-friction way to track your daily tasks so you can start using it right away. Most people quit Notion because they try to build a perfect system on day one. They spend hours designing databases before they write a single task. Today, we'll do the opposite. In under a few minutes, you will have a simple, usable to-do list that actually helps you get things done. First, open your sidebar and find your main hub page. Hover over it, click the plus to create a subpage, and name it Daily Tasks. Nesting it keeps your sidebar clean and makes this list easy to find. Now, open the new page and type /to-do. Then press Enter. That creates a checkbox. This is more than a bullet. It's an interactive to-do item you can check off when it's done. Start typing your tasks. For example, type check emails and press Enter. Notion will automatically give you a new checkbox so you can keep typing without typing the / command again. Add write report, press Enter. Add call client. You can dump your whole brain onto the page in a few seconds. If a task needs extra notes, use a toggle to hide the details. Type /toggle at the end of the line to create a toggle. Then drag the toggle to the task till the blue line box appears. Put your links, steps, or instructions inside the toggle and collapse it. Your list stays tidy, but the details are there when you need them. Move the cursor under toggle and press Enter for a new block. Again, type the / to create a to-do list and add a checkbox to continue. When you finish a task, click the checkbox. The text turns gray and gets crossed out, which gives a clear visual cue that you completed something. That little change helps keep momentum and shows real progress. If you need to track deadlines, priorities, or project status, this method is a starting point. In the next video, I will introduce Notion databases, but I will keep the explanation simple and beginner-friendly so you can level up without feeling overwhelmed. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also comment, what problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.